Welcome back to weather. We've got two different weather systems to talk about. Firstly, what most people know, we've got some very cold weather coming. It is being pushed by a high pressure system in northwest Canada, and it will be moving down slowly, but will eventually get here over the weekend. As far as precipitation, though, this is the system we're looking at. It is a low pressure system that started out in Colorado. It has put together a bunch of clouds, and we've got rain coming. Some of you are experiencing rainfall already. We can almost feel it here in Charleston, but there's a bigger concern, and that is possible ice. We'll be getting right to that. We'll start with cold rain and our temperatures dropping to an overnight low of 31. That rain will be followed by possible ice and maybe even a little bit of snow and wind. We've got winds from the southwest at 15 miles per hour, gusting at times perhaps up to 35 miles per hour overnight. Now, Futurecast, we're going to rely on to predict what is to actually happen tonight overnight. We're going to be starting out, this is a look at approximately 8 p.m. We've got rainfall blanketing the entire viewing area, and it goes in and out. In fact, it may a little bit of intensity at times, but not too much. We are not probably looking at any kind of thunderstorm, but look at this. Early in the morning overnight, a wave of possible ice. That's the pink wave. It's a line that remains strong, and we've also got possible snow following behind as the temperatures turn cooler. Then we have that wave moving through from the northwest to the southeast, and it's a continuing development, and basically it goes all the way through our most southeast counties and into Terre Haute and then into Indiana. This is a development worth watching, and you can watch for more information on social media tomorrow. And then we'll eventually have even possibly partly sunny skies by the daylight hours. In fact, we're going to give you what I call a daylight forecast for tomorrow, but look, our temperatures aren't changing very much because of the cold air that is behind that wave you just looked at. 30 probably for the high, slowly dropping temperatures, and then we really start to drop Saturday night, and all of this fueled by winds from the north and eventually the northwest. Here's a look at your entire weekend forecast. Again, look at those wind directions telling us where the temperatures are coming from. 30 for the high on Saturday, then we really drop into the teens on Sunday and Monday. So lots of tough stuff coming, but we do see that the averages temperatures for January 18th are pretty close to where we are at the moment. But the good news is we've got average temperatures rising from this point forward. That's average, not the aberrations. And the sun is rising earlier and the sun is setting later. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7:09, sunset close to 5 o'clock. And that again is your situation tomorrow. But we are looking at Futurecast for that possible development tonight, and we'll be back to talk more about that, and we'll give you then your 7-day outlook.